Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how you can customize Always On Display. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find Always On Display in the lock screen, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and at the first we can activate or deactivate turn off when battery saver is on. I'm going to disable, so I will get this always on display every time. Here we can change the theme. I'm going for this one. And when you're here, we can also adjust battery and notification info. I'm going to leave notifications. Then click apply and just take a look when we lock our screen. Right now we can enjoy this beautiful always on display on your Mi 11 Lite. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.